Folks, we're inside the brand new 2025 Surveyor by Force River 252 RV. What I like about this unit is a 25 feet travel trailer, but it has the nice seating area, which is some travel trailers you're going to have a hard time for seating area. But me personally, I like two things in this unit. It's 25 feet, a huge counter space as you see here, comparing what you're going to see outside. Theater seating facing the TV and the fireplace, so you don't have to twist your head this way and that way to watch the TV. Nice dinette with the storage on the top and storage at the bottom. You could access from the top and bottom and become a bed. So this trailer sleeps 4 people, 2 in the queen bed in the front, 2 on the dinette, 1. But mostly this is 2 couple trailers. Why? Because it gives you the comfort of seating and living inside that trailer. Number 1, point you, it comes with the 2 theater seating. One here as well, one here. Nice cup holder, place for your iPad or iPhone, storage over your head, like this one. This is a joy in the journey. I could see a nice smart TV in front of me with a nice fireplace for ambient and a stereo system. The wife, when she's standing on the countertop by the kitchen, is making a sandwich for me. She's not in my way when I'm watching the movie. Easy to get, easy to work on. Second thing, we have a nice dinette here. You can see I'm setting the dinette. It sits really high, and there's the storage, as I said, underneath. Then the storage you could access from the top. Just drop down, become a bed. In the entertainment center, you have a nice TV, smart TV hanging on the wall. You don't have to worry. Love this wood lintel. Look like a really stretched piece of wood. They set it here. Just stereo with Bluetooth ability. An AM FM stereo, Bluetooth, speakers inside, speakers outside. Fireplace and the storage underneath. And by the way, this fireplace is really heat this unit. You don't have to turn the heater. It's just a little bit cold. Now, kitchen. You have everything. You have counter space on the left side of the right side of the sink and the left side of the 3-burner range. Big closet for your silverware. I like the gloss, dark gloss. Nice balances with a shade. Sorry. High-rise faucet. And then you have the plug extension, USB and 110. And now it has a big 1 country sink, and then this one used as kitchen. You could put it right here, so you have more counter space to put things on, or you could use it as a cutting board. Cup, you could put on some knives, spoons. 3-burner range, as we talk. Area and oven. Doors. Silverware. Come with the TST monitoring for the tires. This is what I really love. I could not believe this unit has a huge walk-in pantry. Glass door. Walk-in pantry. Look, 1 shelf, big shelf, 2 shelf with the net, hanging for brooms, whatever you want. I don't know what you're gonna put it in. You could put all your canned food, cereals, you name it. And if you notice, as soon as you open the door, this is on a sensor. You have the 10.7 cubic foot. Let me make sure. Yeah, the 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator Freon, out of 12 volts. So you could see it's easy if I'm in the kitchen and somebody watching the TV from the theater seating or the dinette, I'm not on their way. Now, very roomy here. This is a pure queen bed, 60 by 80. The reason why there's 2 kind of queen, RV queen or queen. There's a shelf with a plug for breathing machines and laptop, iPads on both sides. Nice hanging clothes. Big storage in the top. On the corner, I could put a TV on a swing arm if I want to. So you could put 2 TVs. Come with 1, but the second option I love underneath the bed. They give you the sensor light. You could put your blanket sheets. They give you 4 drawers for socks, underwears, and so on. And you have plugs on both sides for anything you want to plug, breathing machine or other devices. You have a beautiful window behind you, and then you have a solid pocket door here for privacy. Now, after we're done with this, we're gonna go show you what is the bathroom. I love those LED with the accent lighting over there. Then you have a nice pocket door here, very roomy. And then you have really nice showers with a toilet and a sink. So this is a sink, medicine cabinet. This is for hanging towels. Now look how big this closet. Linen closet, big closet, you name it. And then here you have porcelain toilet for problem with knees. Place for your paper towels. In-demand hot water heater. Big shower. Skylight, shower head. And the water's gonna go outside. So this is what, and then this one has traveling mode like that. So, by the way, I forgot. You can see this one, get your dirt there. Central vac, loaded. So as I said, this unit is perfect for 2 couples. They want to take grandkids with them, or 4 people, but they enjoy the living and they enjoy the kitchen. Let me show you the outside feature. 2025 4-seater Surveyor 252 RV. Nice window in the front with the black shades that you see. Electric tank jack, 2 propane tank for the cover, 4 stabilizers back, 2 in the tank, 2 in the back. As well, you have the pass-through storage. This is your outside grill. The outside grill actually sits here. And then you have a table. So you put here out the outside grill, or here. If you have barbecue and grill, you could do both. This one, you put this tray. And you have the outside shower. You hook up the hose, and then you could wash your hands, wash food, wash meat, whatever you wanna. Hook over here underneath the beautiful power on with the LED. There's a hookup here for TV. You can put a TV outside. Nice aluminum rims. And from the back, typical Surveyor, they give me the backup temper trap, strap there, and come with a class 2 receiver in the back. Like that. I like the sensor here. We hook up with black water and green water. Then of the light and cut down. City water connection. Hitting a plug. Silver water. And then, as you said, the endless hot water, on-demand hot water heater, endless. And this is the outside grill. You could see it from there. And then hook up. This is the brand new. Perfect for half-ton towable. Perfect for couple people and grandkids. Coming in, people, they like it. It's not too big, not too small, and it's only 25. Come to Best RV, and we assure you the best and the lowest price in the state of California, and no hidden fees and a free gift.